Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate the treasure hunt event using the weather machine in Fish It game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Let me show you the update log here. It says that we can add the treasure hunt to the weather machine, and I've been already here in front of the weather machine. Now let's try to activate the treasure hunt event. But now the treasure hunt event is already active. Let me turn on the machine. Okay, and these are the weather options. You can see the treasure hunt option here. But now the slots, the slots is available. So let's just add. Okay, we need 1 million coins if we want to activate the treasure hunt. Okay, but now it's already active, so I don't need to activate it for now. Okay guys, and that's how we can activate the that's how we can activate the treasure hunt using the weather machine. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.